AutoSAR. AutoSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Basic principles. Example: iBrake feedback. First we look at the port interface iBrake feedback. This is the respective extract from the RTOP AutoSAR Explorer. Now we take a look at the ARXML file. Here you see how the description for the port interface iBrake feedback would look like. First, the version and encoding type are recorded. The second row tells us this document is about an AutoSAR element. After that you see that the described element is a sender-receiver port interface. Then you see the name of the port interface, followed by the information that the associated port does not provide or require AutoSAR standardized services. Then a data element is defined. It is a variable data prototype with the name iBrake feedback. You see that in the port interface description all properties of the port interface are described. If you want to learn more about AutoSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.